So guys, here we are and reaching the lake. I let you see the here. It's wonderful, it's majestic, and you can see the lake from above here. Carezza Lake and Latemar. The Milky Way is going to rise right there at around 2 a.m. 3 a.m. and it will form an arc just above here. So with a quite wide lens, I got with me a 14mm. Then we should be able to represent the whole scene here and also a good portion of the sky. The first thing you need to do as a photographer, and in particular as an astrophotographer, is to image how the scene will be in the night. And so you have to act with yes, a bit of creativity and but also rationality. And you also have to think at the post-production phase already at the beginning, and that comes of course with experience. So let's discover this place. Okay guys, so we are here ready to take photos of the night and possibly the Milky Way. And as you can see, the camera has already been set. We have our shot move Astro tracker with quite cheap Amazon tripod. Yes, a remote control for take photos, and some young 14mm with the laser that is pointing to the North Pole star, which should rise and be right there above that tree. So this should be the only point suitable for capturing both the lake and the Milky Way, while keep pointing on the North Star, because without the North Star we are not able to track the Milky Way. So let's see what will happen. And I'm planning to shoot until 3 a.m. mostly without sleeping, as it is not feasible. And let's hope that everything will work and that these clouds will vanish later in the night.